How to get dog step on Blox Fruits. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to dive deep into the world of Blox Fruits, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can acquire the powerful dog step fighting style. So if you're looking to enhance your combat abilities and add a new cool move to your arsenal, you've come to the right place. The first thing you're going to need to do is make your own way over to Pirate Village. This is where our dark step journey begins. Once you've arrived at the Pirate Village, the next step is to locate the secret NPC who holds the key to unlocking this fighting style. Now, this NPC isn't just standing out in the open, so you'll need to do a little bit of searching. As you explore the Pirate Village, keep your eyes peeled for a secret door. This door is cleverly hidden, so be sure to check all the nooks and crannies. And there is indeed a secret door. Behind this hidden entrance is where you will find the NPC that sells Dark Step, and this is the guy you need to talk to in order to learn the fighting style. Now, before you can learn the Dark Step, you're going to need to have enough in-game currency. So Dark Step costs 150,000 belly, so make sure that you save enough before you head to the secret NPC. And once you have the required belly, simply interact with the NPC and you'll be able to purchase and learn Dark Step. And finally, if you found this video helpful and you want to see more Blox Fruits guides and tutorials, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more content. Thanks for watching.